Hello everyone and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Giga 5 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work. This machine was brought here because it was having an error 17 and that was basically was because the brew unit, as you can see right here, is broke. Um, this is one of the little pieces that pushes the brew unit up and down, and this rotates back and forth. So fortunately this little part broke, and that was because there was a lot of coffee grounds like this all around the whole group head, all around the whole machine. To be honest, it was in really bad condition. Have a couple of pictures just to show you the difference. I'm gonna get another brew unit just to show you how they work. Okay, welcome back. So as I was saying, the brew unit basically just broke. This little piece, this is another broken brew unit that we have, but it's more intact than this one. And yeah, we need to replace it. Unfortunately, yes, that piece is extremely important for the movement of the whole unit. As you can see, this thing is supposed to be attached with this one, and this should be pushing everything. And right now, it's not pushing nothing at all. So that was happening inside the machine, and the machine would just the machine could not push this thing up anymore, and it was just getting stuck. So that's why giving the error 17. So yep, we had to replace this one. We also replaced one of the spouts of the machine. Unfortunately, this little piece is broken and cannot be reattached with this one, so we had to replace it. We also replaced the filter, and we also replaced the water tank. This water tank is broken from one of the lever tabs, as you can see right there, and it's no longer attached to the machine. The condition of the machine was a little bit rough. Let me see if you can focus. Sorry about that. Perfect. Now you can focus. There was a lot of coffee grounds all around the machine. This was where the brew unit is located, and there were so many coffee grounds all around it. It was really bad. And the whole unit in there, even around some of the little parts around of the motherboard were covered in coffee. And we also did clean the grinders. The grinders were really bad as well. You can see some of the oils and some of the old coffee being there. We deep clean everything inside, the grinders, the brew unit. This is the new brew unit, and we clean everything around the machine itself. We also give it a good descale, and yeah, just give it a good service for this machine that it desperately needed. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. This is the new spout of the machine. Fortunately, we will not be able to use the cappuccino side as we do not have the hose. That's the infusion. It's gonna fill up the cup, which means it's 2.5. As you saw, steady flow coming out of the machine. Really working that nice and smoothly. Hot water. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Really good temperature as well. Working perfectly fine. And let's just do a cappuccino. Unfortunately, we do not have the milk attachment, the hose attachment that goes into the machine to froth the milk. So we're just gonna let the machine froth a little bit there. You can see nice pressure coming out of the whistle. Infusion. A nice flow coming out of the machine. And there you have it, Giga 5 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.